Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be shaving off my boyfriend's beard, and we decided to film it because I knew it was going to be a big change. So here are all the tools that I use. I'll leave everything in the description in case you guys are curious. But he has had a beard I think for 3 years, but he's only been growing it out for maybe 6 months or so. So today we are going to be shaving it just completely off to no hair at all. And then for his haircut, I do a mid fade, and I do it pretty much bald. As you guys can see, his hair is super long, but I agreed to cut his hair if we shaved his beard too. But he's been wanting to do it because he wants to shave it and see if it'll grow thicker, which I think it will, so that's why we're doing it. But yeah, that's what we're doing. And then I am in barber school right now, so my haircuts are not the best, but of course, practice makes perfect. So after I do the sides, I just trimmed the top, and then at the end I did kind of go in to the sides where the short hair meets the long hair and blend that a little bit. But after that, this is what he looked like.
Turn towards me. Other way. Or not facing me. Look up. Now look straight.
So as you guys can see, his hair is super long. So I went in with the number 1 to take off the bulk. Since I'm going to be using the straight blade, I didn't want to shave off this long of hair since I'm not very experienced. But I did left his goatee, and then I showed him, and then we left his mustache, and then I showed him. So that's what's next.
Does it look old or what? Oh my god. That looks so old. It's like an old young. I don't know what's going on right now. Are you ready? My chin ugly? I don't remember what my chin looks like. I don't remember. I don't remember. God. No. Keeping it. Alright, next one. Oh my god. Are you alright? Where'd it go? It's on the floor. No going back in. No.
Okay, so now it's time for the satisfying part. So I put a hot towel in the microwave, and I put it on his face. I did wet it though. You gotta wet it because if not, it dries it out. And then I put gel.
Oh, that's cool.
And then we started shaving. I did shave up his eyebrows too because he was getting a unibrow, and then I did notice on the top there was still a little bit of hair that was a little bit too long and didn't blend to the top, so I just kind of touched that up a little bit. And then we're gonna see his reaction.
I can't look.
Yes, you can.
I can't
Look.
look. I can't.
Look.
I can't.
Good.
Oh my god! It's gone! Oh my god!
So here he is, just 5 minutes later, still looking at himself because he didn't recognize who he was. But if you watched until the end of the video, I appreciate it. Of course, this wasn't a tutorial or this wasn't anything like that you could learn from. It was just kind of a satisfying video to see the before and after of shaving off his beard. So here, he still has his beard, and then this is no beard. So, what do y'all think?